These ants may be small, but they're mighty. Pavement ants don't win with size, they win with numbers. One colony can hold tens of thousands of workers. Now, most colonies follow a single queen, but sometimes there's more than one queen. That's right, it's an empire ruled by multiple queens. And all those ants, they're gonna eat a lot. And what they eat is many. In fact, there's not a lot I haven't seen them eat. You might as well say that the entire world is their buffet because nearly everything is on the menu. Building an empire, though, can take a lot of calories, so I'm not surprised. Are you? So the pavement colony eats, the pavement colony grows, the pavement colony expands. And as they expand, they collide with another colony. And that's when total war breaks out. These vicious battles can last for hours, leaving hundreds of tiny bodies behind. Jaws locked with jaws, limbs caught in limbs, just tearing each other apart until there is one colony left. What pavement ants lack in size, they make up for with overwhelming legions. Long live the Empire. For the colony.